Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we'll dive deeper into perfecting your Korean rolled omelette with a few extra tips and tricks. Pro tips for success. Pan selection matters. A smaller, well-seasoned non-stick pan prevents sticking and makes rolling easier. Cast iron retains too much heat. Stainless steel risks tearing. Stick with non-stick. Control the heat. Too high equals browned, rubbery eggs. Keep it low for even, pale yellow layers. If the pan smokes, it's too hot. Wipe it down and reduce the heat before continuing. Prep ingredients properly. Finely chop all add-ins. Big chunks make rolling harder. Pat vegetables dry to avoid watery eggs. Roll like a pro. Don't wait for layers to fully set. Roll while slightly wet for tenderness. Use a flexible silicone spatula to minimize breaks. Common pitfalls to avoid. Overfilling with ingredients. Less is more. Too many extras weaken the structure. Rushing the process. Low and slow wins here. Slicing too soon. Letting it rest keeps the layers intact. If your first attempt isn't perfect, don't stress. Even uneven rolls taste great, and practice makes those tight swirls effortless. Serving and pairing ideas. Korean rolled omelette, or Gyeran Mari, is a side dish that practically begs for good company. Whether you serve it hot off the pan or chilled from the fridge, it brings soft, savory layers to any meal. The best part? It pairs with almost anything, rice, soups, or a lineup of Korean Banchan side dishes. Banchan pairings. Gyeran Mari doesn't just belong on the table, it brightens the table. Try it with these classic Banchan for a balanced, flavorful spread. Kimchi. The tangy crunch cuts through the omelette's richness. Go for classic Napa cabbage or radish kimchi. Spinach namul. Lightly seasoned blanched spinach adds a fresh, earthy contrast. Soy braised potatoes, ganjacharim. Their sweet savory glaze complements the omelette's subtle saltiness. Pickled cucumbers, umachin. A crisp, vinegary bite that refreshes the palate. Sesame bean sprouts, kingnamul. Nutty and refreshing, with a satisfying crunch. For a heartier meal, add a bowl of steamed rice and a drizzle of sesame oil. The omelette also fits perfectly into a dosarok, Korean lunchbox. Just pack it cold with rice and a few sides. Creative presentation tips. Looks matter, even with humble Gyeran Mari. A few simple touches turn it into something that wows before the first bite. Slice and fan. Cut the omelette into thick rounds and arrange them slightly overlapping on a plate. Sprinkle with sesame seeds or chopped scallions for color. Drizzle and dip. Add a zigzag of spicy mayo or sweet soy sauce on the plate for dipping. Skewer it. Thread omelette slices onto small bamboo picks for a fun, easy-to-share appetizer. Layer with greens. Serve atop a bed of lettuce or Parelia leaves for a fresh contrast. Use colorful plates. White or pastel dishes make the yellow omelette pop. If you're feeling bold, try rolling the omelette with nori, seaweed, sheets inside before slicing. It adds a striking dark swirl to each piece. No need to overthink it. Even a simple sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or microgreens can elevate the dish. The goal? Make it look as good as it tastes, without losing its cozy, home-cooked charm. Health benefits and nutritional information. Gyeran Mari isn't just tasty, it's a protein-packed dish with a solid nutritional profile. Eggs, the main ingredient, bring high-quality protein and essential vitamins, while the mix-ins add fiber and extra nutrients. It's a simple way to fuel your body without heavy calories. Dietary adaptations. The beauty of Gyeran Mari is how easily it adapts to different diets. Here's how to tweak it without losing flavor or texture. For vegetarians, skip the ham or spam and load up on veggies like bell peppers, spinach, or mushrooms. Add crumbled tofu for extra protein. For dairy-free diets, omit cheese or use a plant-based alternative like Nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. For low-carb or keto, reduce or omit sugar, and stick to low-carb veggies like zucchini or scallions. Add more eggs and high-fat ingredients like avocado, after cooking, or a sprinkle of sesame oil. For gluten-free needs, most versions are naturally gluten-free, but check labels on processed add-ins like spam. Even with swaps, the dish stays fluffy and satisfying. Balanced meal integration. Gyeran Mari works well as part of a balanced meal. Here's how to pair it for maximum nutrition. With whole grains, serve it alongside brown rice or quinoa for fiber and lasting energy. With soups or stews, pair it with a light miso soup or doenjang jjigae, soybean paste stew, for added warmth and probiotics. With a vegetable-heavy side, balance the omelette's richness with a crisp salad or steamed greens. A typical serving, about 1/4 of the omelette, provides roughly 6 to 8 grams of protein from eggs. Vitamins A and B12 from eggs and veggies like carrots. Minimal carbs unless you add sugar or starchy fillings. It's a flexible dish, eat it as a snack, side, or even a light main with the right accompaniments. Korean Rolled Omelette, Gyeran Mari, proves that simple ingredients can create something extraordinary. Its soft layers, subtle sweetness, and endless adaptability make it a dish worth mastering. Whether you stick to tradition or experiment with new fillings, it's a surefire way to elevate any meal. Try making it this week. Grab a non-stick pan, beat some eggs, and roll your way to a tasty side dish. Share your twists or snap a photo of your results. Did you add cheese, swap in kimchi, or keep it classic? There's no wrong way to make it your own. Next time you're cooking, let Gyeran Mari turn basic eggs into something special. This video proves that even the simplest dishes can have the biggest impact. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.